I'm Dr. Sanjay Sharma from Asian Cancer Institute, Mumbai. Today, I bring certain facts for patients and their relatives during this tough time of corona pandemic. The cancer produces low immunity and it is caused by low immunity. This makes cancer patient more susceptible to infection, more so to coronavirus. We all know that there is no cure for coronavirus and will be a while before vaccines or tablets are developed to achieve the cure. Till such time, we have to prevent and protect us from this virus. We should ask our patients and relatives to avoid people with fever, cough, cold. They should avoid people who have visited or coming from overseas. They should avoid crowded places. Keep a safe distance of more than a meter. And keep perfect, clean hygiene. More important is they should wash their hands with soap and water frequently and wear the mask all the time. They should eat healthy. They should do physical exercises, breathing exercises, and keep your mental health to the positive side by talking to your relatives and the doctor concerned. You know that certain therapies like endocrine therapy, target therapy, like tablet tamoxifen, gefitinib, letrozole, etc. can continue in normal manner as usual without any problems. For your knowledge, you should know that corona affects people. And it takes almost about 7 to 10 days before they become symptomatic. There are 70% of the patients who are asymptomatic are the problems. They can be infective, infect yourself, relatives, and the medical fraternity. So doctor thus insist that you should continue to maintain social distancing, and the patient and their one relative or attendant who is going to be there with him in the hospital for their surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, have a COVID testing done, and they can be only allowed to walk in with negative results. Treating infected patients also produce complications for the patients. They become symptomatic and the course becomes very difficult. Sometimes the complication increases so much that at times they can cause mortality. Routine chemotherapy, radiation therapy treatment is possible and should continue. However, schedules may be changed towards making them for shorter duration in the hospital. This can be done by altering drugs, their dosage, but maintaining their efficacy. And this is best done by your doctor. Immunotherapy is one methodology which is in vogue nowadays, should be replaced by chemotherapy because it can change the immune system. Other therapies can be added or subtracted. The aim is to achieve positive results, good results for you, and reduce the number of visits and stay in the hospital. Surgery is a very integral part of cancer management. Smaller surgeries can go on routinely and can be done with ease and good prognosis. But bigger surgeries, 8 hours, needs to be modified by either techniques or by adding new adjuvant chemotherapy, radiotherapy, or both to help reduce the tumor. And after 3-4 months, with this reduction, can facilitate easy and result-oriented surgery. Ultimately, with these modifications are done by experts who can match the result with the conventional treatment. There are certain kind of surgeries which needs to be done only in acute emergencies. They are endoscopic surgeries or diagnostic endoscopies. Laparoscopic or thoracoscopic surgeries should be avoided for the simple reason that it produces aerosolization because of the gases that we use inside or inflation that we use inside, which will be detrimental for the patient. Thus, open surgery is more required, and your results, be it the endoscopic result or open, remain the same and should be practiced at this moment. I, from Asian Cancer Institute, would suggest to you that you should remain positive. You can bring your relative and yourself with a negative COVID report to the hospital for chemotherapy, radiation therapy, or surgery. And at last, I would suggest that you conserve your health, save your lives, stay at home. God bless you all. All the best.